So right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of leg and tie. A lot of people when they said leg and tie they don't understand. Right over here, oh, this is the way how the leg and tie stay. So I'm already moved off the skin off of it. What I'm gonna make you today, guys? I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely smoked paprika chicken. Well, a lot of people say, oh, Chef Ricardo, you've been doing chicken on your YouTube channel. Well, I'm gonna do you a nice, lovely smoked paprika chicken today. It's a really nice recipe. You're gonna go with some butter rice and then the veg at the side. Well, let's kick on with it now. Right over here, I got this smoked paprika. What I want to say to you guys, you can go to any local shop, supermarket, and ask for smoked paprika. Right over here, this is the way the smoked paprika stay. Very strong. I put in a large spoon of it, and also chicken season, half spoon of the chicken season, and half of the meat seasoning, and also half of everyday seasoning. Really nice. Then also I'm gonna put some fresh garlic on it also. A large spoon of garlic. I'm using a teaspoon. And I'm gonna put some vegetable oil also on top of it. Just like this. Then next I'm gonna put a little bit of meat seasoning, and also a little bit of plain paprika. Lovely. If you got a gloves, it is good for you to use your gloves and marinate up your meat. You don't need to do this the same day which you want to marinate your meat. You can do it from the day before and get it really soaked. So I've just put on my gloves and I'm gonna just rub up the chicken just like this. As you can see what I'm doing right here. That's so you guys can see how to marinate your meat at home. So as you can see right here, I'm making you a nice lovely smoked paprika chicken, leg and thigh. Go with some butter rice and also little veg at the side. So right here, this is the way the chicken look. When you marinate it, you can smell that wonderful garlic. Also, I didn't put any salt on it because most of these seasons come with salt. And right here now, guys, I got a tray. I'm gonna lay them inside of the tray just like this. As you can see what I'm doing right here. The color of the chicken looks so lovely and nice. Guys, if you're at home, I'm telling you, guarantee you, if you do this chicken at home, your kids them will love you. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven for roughly 25 to 30 minutes inside of the oven and make it bake. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven on a gas mark. You can put a gas mark either 8 or 9, or if you're using a different kind of an oven, you can also put it at 175 Fahrenheit Celsius. Well, it's a nice recipe. I never did it before on my YouTube channel. I did it at home and I like the recipe and I like the way it tastes. So I say I'm gonna give someone this recipe to try it at home. So enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Nice. I just take it from the oven a while ago, and now I'm just gonna wanna simply just spin it over to the other side and put them back in for another good 10 minutes, and that's it. And we're gonna share it out because I just want to make sure this chicken really cook, because these are the leg and thigh bits, so I have to make sure they cook really good. As you can see, they're even lovely. Look at that, really nice. So this is a beautiful smoked paprika chicken. Guys, if you're at home, you need to try smoked paprika chicken. Is one of the best chicken you can ever think of. The scent of it, which is coming from it, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another good 10. So I just take the chicken. Remember I told you earlier, 10 minutes in the oven. Well, 10 minutes is come. I take the chicken from the oven and I did plate it up, make you guys can see what I'm talking about when it comes to smoked paprika chicken. This is one of the best way all you can do you smoke paprika chicken. And I'm telling you, right over here is the butter rice, and right here I have some green veg and also carrot mixed together. Well, if you want me to show you how to make the butter rice, please write it in the description box, in the comments box, and I will definitely, if you want me to make it, to show you in another video how to make butter rice. Well, butter rice is definitely easy to make. It's just adding butter to the water and the rice and a pinch of salt. So butter rice is definitely easy to make, but I can make that one for you guys if you request it for me to make it. But right over here, this is the all the way the chicken come out, which I'm talking about, you the smoked paprika chicken. Please guys, if you don't know where to get the season, you can search on the internet and look up for season from Jamaica and search for paprika. Smoked paprika season is one of the best seasons you can ever use to make your chicken at home. Really nice, different flavor, different taste, different texture, everything is just blend together with the garlic. So I know you guys will love it. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below if you like this recipe from Chef Ricardo. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye. And as I said before, I did wash my chicken with some lemon juice. If you don't have lemon, you can always use white vinegar, you can use lime to wash the chicken and then remove the skin from a chicken. Is called, I always say in my video, the skin is not healthy for you. But if you want to leave your one, it is fine. It still will come out just like this. Really nice recipe, so enjoy to it.